Okay, so another thing that I wanted to touch on base with you guys, when I last left, this was not working. It had connected with my project, but sometimes it doesn't catch. So there's one more step you might need to do. So I'm here right here inside. I'm not in the console. I'm in Firebase. You go to Docs, Release and Monitor, Crashlytics, Get Started. Okay. When you go to the bottom, this is where you go ahead and it tells you how to force a test crash and finish setup. Okay. And of course, this is a programmatically created button. It's added to the sub view. The an action is added to it, and of course, there's an array of numbers with only one element, and you're looking for the second element when there's just one. When it's just one element, and there's only the first element, which is 0. I'm trying to access 1, which means there's 2 elements, and that means it's out of range. Should throw a fatal error. But in order to see that, sometimes you might have to get to the Crashlytics dashboard, you'll say enable debug logging. Hold on. So enable debug logging. I'm going to open this up a new link. What you're gonna have to do is go to product scheme, edit scheme, select run from the menu in the arguments tab, and you're gonna add this. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Go back to here, product. I'm sorry, editor, product. Sorry, product, scheme, edit scheme. Go to run, argument, press the plus button, and then you're gonna cut and paste that dash for debug enabled. Do right there, hit return, and you have this. Click close. Then you're going to run this. Then you're going to go, now that you run this and we know this is already set up, you're going to stop it. Okay, go back to your simulator, open it up from here. You're going to crash it, and then there's an unexpected crash. You go back here, and now this, you'll have your crash here instead of the green page with the little turning thing. Right? You crash, go back to your dashboard. And maybe the second crash will take some time to show up. Crash example. Working correctly. Okay. And here. Okay. All right. 4 events right here, 2 crashes. The other crashes should come in. So the kind of let you know what's going on. Let me see something. 5. So there's 5 crashes. So it is keeping up with the crashes. So yeah, this gives you an idea what's going on, and that's how you do it. On to the next.